Are you preparing for an interview with Foxsense Innovations? Let's walk you through what the company is all about, and the kind of questions you can expect in your interview rounds. Foxsense Innovations is a product engineering and design-first consulting company headquartered in Hyderabad and Coimbatore. Founded in 2019, Foxsense has grown into a trusted partner for clients across industries like insurance, retail, healthcare, and finance. They are known for building outcome-driven digital platforms, powered by a strong culture of transparency, curiosity, and impact. Let's look at the real topics and questions discussed in Foxsense interviews for round 1 of the technical interview, covering Java fundamentals, real-world scenarios, and system design discussions. The round starts with a deep dive into Java concepts. Here's what you can expect. What is a string in Java? Are strings immutable? Be ready to explain not just the definition, but how immutability affects memory, performance, and security. What is linked hashmap? You might be asked how it differs from hashmap, and in what situations it's preferred. Explain the internal working of hashmap. The interviewer may go deeper, asking how keys are hashed, how collisions are handled, and how Java 8 Plus optimizations work. Next, expect practical scenarios where you'll need to apply Java and design principles to real-world problems. Imagine 2 users are trying to book the same seat at the same time. How will you ensure only one of them gets it? This tests your understanding of concurrency, transactions, and data consistency in a distributed setup. Design a system for an organization that has multiple plants, and each plant has a cafeteria. Employees should be able to use their ID card to order food at any cafeteria. Here, they are assessing your system design skills, how you think about services, identity management, communication between systems, and database architecture. How would you notify employees about a new employee joining the organization? This question evaluates your ability to design an event-driven or pub-sub communication model within a microservices ecosystem. Round 2 of the Foxsense technical interview process, this time focusing on Java internals and Spring Boot fundamentals. In round 2, the interview dives deeper into how well you understand Java under the hood. Be prepared to justify your answers and handle counter questions based on your responses. What do you know about hashmap again? This is not repetition, it's to test your depth. Expect follow-ups based on how well you explained it in round 1. Are hashmap keys mutable? What happens if they are? This question explores hash-based collections and the importance of consistent hashcode and equals methods. If you're using a custom object as a key in hashmap, how do you ensure correct comparison? This will likely lead to a discussion on equals and hashcode and what happens if they are overridden incorrectly. What do you know about the object class in Java? Since every class in Java inherits from object, expect questions about its methods like equals, hashcode, toString, etc. The second part of this round typically shifts to Spring Boot, especially how annotations and beans work internally. What happens if you use at service instead of at repository in a repository class? Understand the subtle behavioral differences, especially regarding exception translation. What has been scope in Spring? How many types are there? They'll likely want you to list the common scopes and when to use each. Be ready to explain lifecycle implications. Explain the request flow from client to the server. It also includes a quick mention that you've already created a video for it. This helps showcase your preparation during mock sessions or even real interviews. Foxsense offers a collaborative environment and a real opportunity to grow. If you love deep discussions around clean code and real-world problems, you'll fit right in. Good luck!